So here's a question from Perrine. When you are composing, do you record all the ideas you have? That's a great question, and I do. I record everything onto this, into the phone. So I can even show you. Well, I won't actually play anything, but I want to show you just how many of these I have. So hopefully you guys can see, probably not. But it's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ideas. And that's not even all of it. That's just from the last year. So I record everything into my iPhone. Usually, if I have it set up like this, where I'm doing loop pedal stuff, I'll record it really professionally with all my gear, and I'll record it into Cubase. But yeah, typically I do like to record all of these ideas that I have, especially if they're really strong ideas. Like that new song I played earlier, that new idea. So that idea came specifically from that. I think the first version was this. So that was kind of the first idea, and I remember listening to it on the phone that I have, the recording, and then I would slowly listen to it and being like, something's off. There's one note different. There's one note that's missing, or one note too much. So I kind of go back through the editing process and do it over and over again until I find I have that. Now I've got the final version. What a lot of you maybe don't see is the behind the scenes stuff, right? A lot of you don't see what is happening before the song is released, right? The process. And I did two live streams, I think last month, right? On kind of how to write a piece of music with you guys all together live on the spot.